Hi, girls! Yay for accessories, right? I am super excited to show these to you. They are absolutely gorgeous, super light. They go with everything. Like you can wear them at day or wear them at night. They go with everything. So if you're looking for handmade fair trade jewelry at an accessible price, this is it. They go with any outfit and will be sure to make any outfit stand out. They're like unique works of art because each one is made by an artisan and no two are ever the same, ever, ever. And if you don't like looking like everyone else who bought the accessories all at the same place, all at the same time, all at the same sales, this is it for you. So we can't wait to come and see you. As an added bonus, you know that all our products are ethical and fair trade and we do not use cheap labor. So come and join us at Uju, and when you do, you get 25% off your purchase when you join our mailing list, and we'll make a donation to March of Dimes on your behalf just for joining us. We cannot wait to see you. Come visit us at www.ujuonline.com. Bye, girls.